Look up.
And there's Alexander and Dad just standing in it. Open your mouth, Alexander. See if any land in there.
Look at that, dude.
It's crazy. Woo! Woo! That is crazy.
You like it? Uh-huh. Can you look up?
This has been like 3 minutes. This has all come down in like 3 minutes.
Crazy!
Alexander's eating it.
It's getting stuck in your hair, man. Look at your shirt. Ow.
It's starting to hurt.
That one hurt.
That was close.
You know what that is, Alexander? Lightning. Thunder is the sound that lightning makes.
My bowl is now layered quite nicely.
Go back inside.